I born and brought up in a place called Andhra Pradesh. There I did my schooling and all. After that, I did my engineering from NIT Jamshedpur in mechanical the branch. Although being a mechanical engineer, got towards into the software. I got a chance to work in Infosys. So I joined Infosys in 2021 January. So far I completed around 3.5 years experience here in the IT. So I in Infosys I initially worked in the QA kind of projects. Eventually I switched to the QA development phase of the same, where I'm using these technologies called Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. So I felt like somehow there is a need of upskilling myself. In that journey, I got Cryo platform, and which will help me for upskilling in these technologies. So I switched from Infosys to Accenture recently in this March of 2024. So it's not the project whatever I'm into was like the keyword development. It's not where I'm gonna using the Java as a language, and I'm doing the enhancements and all, which seems to be not a really very challenging project. So where we could see for building a complete end-to-end application, just like an e-commerce application, the back-end part of the same, including multiple different microservices. So keeping that in mind, the project what I'm doing is not that much power, which not keep me that much taking up the task what I'm desiring for. So I feel like there is a need for upskilling the areas where I'm into. So I have to kind of go through the stuff. So in a way, I found a Cryo as a platform. So I think I got with one of the YouTube ad something. Afterwards, I got to know from one of my friends that are they're checking out, and they got to know this Cryo as a learn by doing platform. So I kind of attended this 1 week trial session where I understood the basics of this Unix commands and all, and also the giveaway like that I got to know much more about the Cryo and eventually into the Cryo. So the end goal is to get into some good paying job. So for that, the thing is I need to upskill. That is just for sure the basic concept, basic thing. And while upskilling, it is even equally important that I have to enhance my program solving skills along with the development skills. So as this so my main intention is I need to learn much more with the problem solving skills. I need to grab more the content, so that the thought process to how to approach a problem and all. So this was more this was the intention. So we do get our assignments once we are done with our daily sessions and all. We do get our assignments where we're supposed to go ahead and complete the task and all. So in that, there are something trickier is even intentionally something is kept as it kept that we need to debug ourselves. So that is something where we actually explore into the open source and try to grab more content and all. So this is one key point where we ourselves kept into the open source and try to grab the knowledge by ourselves. It's doing and learning out of it. Challenge is to manage the time. So as a working professionals, most of the time the daytime is going into the work and all. After that, I again need to sit back at the table for attending the session and all. So which is kind of challenging as I'm working the project and all. But it's actually, I felt like I have to go through it. So although felt like it's challenging, but the learning process is actually a bit interesting. Although we felt a bit more tired or exhausted, the process itself actually driving a bit more further. So yeah. So it's about the generally as I mentioned, my aspiration is to get into some good paying company and all. So for that, the process is we need to attend these interviews. I need to prepare some real good resume and all. So mentors been through my resume and also explaining where it could be improved and all. The kind of feedback getting from them seems a bit more important for someone, because we need some guidance and we are getting that guidance. That seems good. Like, everyone wants to be pursue some career. uh, I feel like being into the development would be a good choice for my mindset, or like my aspirations and all. As a part of it, we took I'm going through this program cryo, so which really helped me. Afterwards, I got into some company as well, which actually turns into something positive and good. I work in the backend part in the Java technology. So I'm currently working in Accenture as a senior software, where I'm including in the BFF for the front end. So in that, as a day-to-day life, we currently we are working on one feature where we are combining the existing features. So in that process, we interact with different services, microservices, and make the calls and all, and get the data and populate them onto the UI. So this is a feature that I'm currently working on, which is actually kind of interesting to go ahead, where I'm interacting with different teams and understanding the requirements and explaining my requirements for them, and bringing them together and building a complete page in the UI. Yep. Do it. If you're doing it, do it with complete passion. Not like passion means be indulge with it, stick with the program to the end. You don't lose up in the somewhere when you're feeling like you're not doing it. Don't give up. Just go ahead and do it till the end. It's a complete program.